Railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, let's enjoy. ET44C4 up top. There's another one, the third DPU. The second DPU, third locomotive. Alright, got a nice manifest freight train. Main track number 2, westbound, milepost 62. Nice bulkheads here. Steel beams. They probably have steel beams in these gondolas too. They're a lot easier to secure in gondolas. That's why they have those lumber pieces in there. What an awesome train. We have a Union Pacific coming the other way shortly, and also a nice BNSF auto rack with a lot of power. BNSF, I think. Train's coming out of Sullivan's curve right there. You see it up there just below the sandstone rocks if you look hard. Got my windsock on, but the microphone is lining up right with the wind, so we're doing our best here. Nice center beam lumber bulkheads, some grain hoppers. It's always fun to check these old cars out. Sometimes you see some classics. Coil car there. Good well cars. See they group them together in 5s and 3s. There's also singles too, but that's a set of 5 there. Pickup, I see that occasionally. Awesome train. Here comes some nice old box cars. Buddy's barrel rolling like an alligator over here. Look at that junk. Look at that gondola full of junk. Awesome. CDMX. See that on cement hoppers. I think those come from Mexico also. High fructose corn syrup and lactose. Alright, rear DPUs. SD70, probably an ACE on the end there. Awesome. Got a whole bunch of sun to my left, can't go that way. Alright, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. His buddy doing his barrel roll. Alright, we'll catch you on the